Hi, Nat Thompson here from natthompson.com. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to make use of templates in an Elementor page layout. The client site that I'm using has multiple templates on their page layout with a section that lets us create their content for a page. This is an easy way to show how you can set up a common template for multiple pages on a website and make use of those over and over again. So let's get started. Now let's get started with our template layout. First up, we're going to look at the page here, and now we're going to add a new page to look just like it. Give it a title, in this case test page. Select a default layout for it, and then edit with Elementor. Elementor loads up, and we're going to select a different canvas or different template. We're going to choose the Elementor canvas template to give us a full clean slate to work with. It comes with some default content that we're just going to delete, and now we'll start adding the sections we need to create the page layout. This page layout uses 7 different sections, 6 of which have templates, and 1 is used for our content section that'll be specific to this page. So we want to use full width on all of these sections because this page layout is a full width page layout. So we'll select each section in turn and set them to full width. If your site was using a boxed content layout, you could leave it at the default and you'd be ready to go. Everything works the same. So now all of those are in place. We're going to grab our first template control and put it in the top section and use the header template that we've created previously. And there it shows up. Now we're going to add our second template control. This one's going to be the footer for the site, and we've got a template set for that footer. And there it is. Next up, we'll add a common questions template, a menu template that is the same across our site. We need to adjust this a little bit to make it cleaner. We're going to move it up closer to the header using a negative top margin, and it just slides it up a little closer, makes it look a little bit nicer. So now we're going to add our common questions template to the site just above the footer template, and this is consistent information we want across every page on the site, so we've created a template for that. There's our 3 common questions, and now we want to add the header for that section. And we got a little bit of cleanup to do here. When this pops in place, we need to move those circles up. So we're going to use our friend the negative margin trick again and move everything in line. We unlink all the margins. We don't want them all adjusted, and we adjust the top margin. And now you'll see those circles in line. So we're going to save a draft in case anything unfortunate happens. We don't lose our work. Our next template that we're going to grab is a request a free quote template. So we'll grab that and plug it in. And now our page layout is complete and we can start adding content. So instead of a template, we'll just add a header. We'll adjust the wording, roofing maintenance, resize it and center it, make it stand out. Use the typography control and just bring that up. And then we're going to add an image of some essential roof maintenance. Choose an image that we've loaded previously, insert that, and resize it a little bit. And there we have it. Let's save a draft so we don't lose anything. And you can see the page layout. quick and easy. And now we want to see it on the live site. So we're publishing this page, and we're going to go and view page on site. There you have it. It's in place. You can see everything is nice and clean. Didn't take us very long to complete, and we're good to go at this point. Now you can see the power of the templates, how quickly and easily they can get you to have a page in place without reconstructing a page every time you have to build it. I hope you've enjoyed that tutorial. If you want more or have questions, please head over to natthompson.com/wordpress-help or contact me at nat@natthompson.com. I'll be happy to answer any questions you have or see what other ways I can help you out to make your website as good as it can possibly be.